Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients.
We have completed the first sub-question. In this video, we will discuss the second and third sub-questions.
So we know the relationship. So if second degree polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c and the zeros are alpha and beta, and the relations are the sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a and products of the zeros is equal to c by a. We have to verify the results, verify the relations. So how can we split the middle term of the second question, that is 4s square minus 4s plus 1? How can we split?
Minus 2s and minus 2s.
Minus 2s and minus 2s. Very good. So right here. So second question, p of x is equal to 4s square minus 4s plus 1. To find the zeros, we have to factorize it. So for that, 4s square same. This middle term 4s we can split as minus 2s and minus 2s. So minus 2s is minus 4s. And if you multiply these two, minus 2s into minus 2s, what will you get?
4s square.
4s square. That is same as the x square term. Here the variable is s. So s square term into the constant term. So this is the choice. Okay. So in next step you can take 2s common outside the bracket. So you can take 2s from the first two terms. So if you take 2s outside the bracket, what will be inside?
2s minus 1.
2s minus 1. Okay. Then here 2s plus 1 is here. So you want to change the sign. To change the sign, you want to take minus 1 outside the bracket. Okay, to change the sign, or simply say that take the negative sign outside the bracket. Minus 1 into means minus into. Okay, minus 2. If you take minus from 2s, that will become positive 2s. And if you take minus negative means negative 1. From plus 1, it will become minus 1. It will be just to think reverse. If you apply the negative for both the terms inside the bracket, so minus 1 into 2s will become minus 2s, and minus 1 will become plus 1. If you think reverse, you will get to the top line. And next line, you can take 2s minus 1 outside the bracket. 1 outside the bracket from this and from this. So 2s minus 1 take outside the bracket. So inside the bracket, what will be inside the bracket?
2s minus 1.
2s minus 1. 2s minus 1.
2s minus 1. 2s minus 1. Very good. Okay. So there will be only 1 0. There will be only 1 0. We have studied for a second degree polynomial. There can be maximum 2 zeros. And it can be 1. And also some situation it may be no zeros. Okay. So in this case, there will be only 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. So s is equal to 1 by 2. So the 0 of this polynomial is 1 by 2. Okay, so how we can take zeros as.
Can you verify that by using alpha beta?
Yes. So alpha and beta you can take as alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and beta is equal to 1 by 2. You take their sum. Alpha plus beta is equal to what will come?
1.
1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Yes. And if you take the minus b by a, what will you get?
1.
Yes, 4 by 4 is 1. Like this you can verify. You can take both alpha and beta as 1 by 2. Got it?
So we got alpha plus beta is equal to 1 and minus b by a also the same 1. So the first relationship is verified. The second relationship, the product of the 0 is equal to c by a. I am not writing here. That you can write, you can verify. Very simple, right? Here the product of the zeros will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. And c by a, what is c? C is 1 and a is 4. So c by a is also 1 by 4. So the product of the 0 is same as c by a. The second relationship is also verified. Now we move to the sub question number 3.
So I think the third question is very simple. Only say how to split the 7x, the middle term. Middle term means the x term, right? First you have to rewrite the given polynomial as the standard form. For x square term first, then x term, then constant term. So for the third question, should be the polynomial should be written like this: 6x square minus 7x, then minus 3, then split minus 7x. How can we split minus 7x?
Minus 9 and 2.
Minus 9 and 2, very good. So 6x square minus 9x plus 2.
Plus 2.
You said correct, okay.
Plus 2.
Plus 2 minus 3. So minus 9x plus 2x is minus 7x, that's right. And also minus 9x into 2x is minus 18x. That's what 3 into 6x square. Okay, so this is the choice. Then you can continue. You can
Sir,
yes.
so, is there any easy method to split the numbers?
For this situation, right?
Yes.
Okay. Also, you can also think only the coefficients. No need to look at 7x. Only look at the coefficients only. So you want to get the sum as minus 7, and their product should be minus 3 into 6. You can think like so. No need to look at the x terms. Just to look at only the coefficients. Sum of two numbers should be minus 7, and product of those two numbers should be minus 3 into 6, that is minus 8. So try for such numbers. Sum of two numbers minus 7, and products of two numbers minus 18. So the choice is minus 9 into 2. So next step, what we can take a common answer from 6x square minus 9x.
3x.
3x, right? 3x. So 3 is a common factor of 6 and 9. It's a common factor of 6 and 9. So 3x can be taken outside. So inside bracket it will be
2x minus 3.
2x minus 3. 2x minus 3, right? Okay. Then plus 2x minus 3 again, right? Okay. Then next step, what's next step? You can take a 2x minus 3 outside the bracket, right? You can take a 2x minus 3 outside the bracket. So it will be 2x minus 3 into what's inside the bracket? 3x plus 1.
Plus 1 or minus 1?
Plus 1, right? Here there is no minus sign. This is plus sign, right? So if you take 2x minus 3 outside the bracket, it will be 3x plus 1 inside the bracket. Then you can continue.
The balance I leave to you. You have to find the zeros and verify the relationships.